There he is, George! Goodbye, George! You will be missed. You don't have to look at this part, folks. There's nothing we can do for him. But there is something we can do for ourselves. Please make sure you're remaining seated at all times. The only time the sharks here at Amity Island can smell you is when you're standing. So we'll take this opportunity to escape and hide behind these totally safe and somehow totally non-flammable barrels of gasoline. Where we might see some sparks, but I don't think we'll see any flames.
Kita belum